Welcome to SmartRisk Sheets, your simplified risk assessment tool. Managing risks is not intimidating. SmartRisk Sheet offers a comprehensive risk register in minutes. Click the Add New Risk button. Easily add risks using a straightforward form. Category, impact, likelihood, controls, and owner. With a single tap, AI efficiently evaluates your chances and provides straightforward, actionable guidance to enhance your experience. Your scoring updates automatically using advanced built-in formulas that are perfectly aligned with global industry standards like ISO 31000. When you click on the Generate Risk Report button, either by downloading it or sending it through the mail, you can quickly create a well-formatted report that's perfect for executive and board meetings. This enables you to share some important updates with others efficiently, without requiring any additional time or effort. SmartRisk Sheets, practical modern risk management tools for confident decision-making. Share a review to help us improve and support more teams.